Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix mobile data network problem in any Samsung phone. If you are using any Samsung phone and you are having an issue in your mobile data network, so let's see how can you fix that. First of all, you have to open your settings app, then go for connections, and here you have to make sure that you have enabled flight mode. If you have enabled, you can easily turn it off from here. So you have to make sure that you have disabled flight mode. Then go for SIM manager and select mobile data, and here you have to select your preferred SIM on which you want to use your mobile data. As I have selected the second one, just select that, then go back, and here just select mobile networks, and here you have to make sure that you have selected networks mode on this, and here just select LTE preferred, or if available select 4G or 5G, and same with the second one. And after that, if you are still having any issue, so you just have to go back, and here just go for general management or system management in your phone, then select the reset option, select reset mobile network settings, select reset settings, and tap on reset again. It will reset all of your mobile network settings. It will not delete any data from your phone. So you can easily do that settings. Once you have that, your problem will be fixed and you'll not have any issue in your mobile data network. So that's how you can easily fix your mobile data network problem in your Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.